Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn kinds of nouns. In the last lecture, you had learned what are nouns. So, let's learn how many kinds of nouns are there. Children, there are three kinds of nouns. First is common noun, second, proper noun, and third, collective noun. Let's learn about them in detail. Common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places, or people which are of the same kind. For example, a girl. You don't know the name of this girl, so she is a girl only for you. So she is a common noun. Glass. It is a common glass. Boy. You don't know the name of this boy, so he is a boy for you. Clock, pencil, park. So all these things are of common category. They are of same kind. So that's why we call them common nouns. Next, proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places, animals, or things. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of India. That's why he is a particular person. India. India is a particular country. There are many countries in the world, but India is only one country. New Delhi. New Delhi is a proper noun as it is capital of India. There is only one New Delhi. There are many cities, but New Delhi is only one. Commonwealth Games. There are different kinds of games, but Commonwealth Games are particular games. Himalayas. There are many mountains, but Himalayas, they are the only one. That's why they are proper noun. Children, here is a list of some nouns. Here are common nouns and proper nouns. Like country. Country is a common noun, but India, Japan, China, these are particular countries. That's why they are proper nouns. Next, cities. Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur. City is a common noun, but Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur, they are proper nouns. River. River is a common noun, but Yamuna and Godavari are particular rivers. That's why they are proper nouns. Player. A player is a common noun. There are many players, but Sachin Tendulkar and Saina Nehwal, it is proper noun because we are talking about particular persons. Pencils. Pencil is a common noun, but if we talk about give me Apsara pencil or Natraj pencil, then it is proper noun. Day. Day is a common noun. There are many days, but we talk about Sunday or Monday, then it will be proper noun. Buildings. There are many buildings, but if we talk about a particular building like Taj Mahal and Red Fort, then these are proper nouns. Children, you must note that all proper nouns begin with capital letters. So take care of these things. You can see in the list of proper nouns India, Japan, China, Delhi, Yamuna, Sachin Tendulkar, Apsara pencil, Sunday, Monday, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. All these start with capital letters. Third kind of noun is collective noun. Collective nouns are names of groups of people, animals, and things taken as one unit. When we talk about a particular group, when we talk about a group, like if I talk about group of children, group of students, then it will be a class. So class is a collective noun. For example, a group of cows is called a herd of cows. A group of cows will be called herd. We will call them with single word, that will be herd. Next is a group of ships. It will be called fleet. It is fleet of ships. So let's revise, dear children. Nouns can be of the following kinds. Common nouns are names given to things, places, animals, or people of the same kind, like girl or boy. Proper nouns are names given to particular people, places, animals, or things. For example, Rita and Mohan. Collective nouns are names of groups of people, animals, or things. Means if we talk about a group, then it will be collective noun like herd or fleet. These words are collective nouns. So that was all about kinds of nouns. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.